Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim Mobile. First, download the app from your device's App Store. Once installed, log in with your existing TD Ameritrade or Schwab account. The main navigation menu is your starting point for exploring all the powerful features available on the platform. We'll cover these in more detail shortly. Once logged in, you can easily navigate through the app. Your watch lists allow you to monitor specific stocks and options. You can view real-time quotes and detailed option chains to stay informed. Quickly check your account balances and current positions to manage your portfolio effectively, all from your mobile device. Placing trades on Thinkorswim Mobile is straightforward. You can initiate various order types, including stocks, options, and even complex option strategies. The app supports advanced order types such as one cancels other and trailing stops. Always review all trade details carefully before confirming your order for execution. The Thinkorswim mobile app offers robust charting capabilities. You can access interactive charts with multiple timeframes to analyze market trends. Apply a wide range of technical indicators and drawing tools directly on your charts. Customize your chart settings to match your personal analysis style and preferences for a tailored experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.